Hello everyone. I'm Oscar back again with a new video. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to watch movies on your iOS device for free. We will use a third-party app so it can get revoked. If it happens, just download it again. So with everything said, let's get started. Open your internet browser and go to the link in the description. Tap the Download App button. It will ask you to download a profile, so download it as shown. The app will be automatically downloaded. When you open it, go to the Apps section. Go to Tweakbox Apps and select Bobby Movie. Tap Install and wait. It may ask you to download another profile, but it doesn't appear to me because I have already done it. As you can see, you can find almost any movie you want. To show you it works, I'll play Maze Runner. You can also add subtitles if you want to. There are subtitles in various languages. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to share this video with your friends so our channel can grow bigger. You can request me a tutorial in the comments section if you'd like to. Thank you again and see you in the next video.